Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same Apple ID on both devices. This is non-negotiable. Once signed in, make sure both iPhone and iPad are updated to the latest iOS or iPad OS so features align. Then connect each device to stable Wi-Fi and plug into power. This prevents interruptions. Finally, enable iCloud in settings and verify you have enough iCloud storage. These steps prepare the devices. Now you begin the actual sync using iCloud Backup and iCloud Sync toggles. You now enable specific iCloud Sync toggles, iCloud Drive plus contacts, photos, notes, and any app you want mirrored. Once those are on, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and start an iCloud Backup with Backup Now. This uploads current device data to iCloud. Make sure the backup completes and note the timestamp. Once done, your iPad and iPhone have matching data in iCloud. This is what will restore the full state when needed. To finish, sign in on the device you want synced and enable the same iCloud toggles. Photos and contacts appear automatically once iCloud completes. If you need a full device match, erase the target device and restore from the most recent iCloud backup. Choose the backup with the correct timestamp during setup. If something goes wrong, check Apple ID consistency, confirm you have enough iCloud storage, verify Wi-Fi and power, and update the OS. These fixes resolve most sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.